Boom! Hello everyone, I'm John and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to install a Facebook pixel onto your landing page or funnel. So let's get to it. Um, if you're new to Facebook advertising and if you own a website and you want to start advertising, well, you need a Facebook pixel. And e- lem- And in order for you to install the Pixel, first, how do you get the Facebook Pixel? One, you need a Facebook account. Two, you need to upgrade your Facebook account into a business account. It's very simple. You can Google it. It's a very simple process. As long as you have a Facebook account, you can get it. You can get your Facebook business account. So this is my Facebook business account. This is how it looks. So let me show you how and where to get the Facebook pixel. One, click on this thing above and then go to pixels. Um, Once you're on pixels, click on it. It will open this page here. This is how it looks like. Um, and don't mind the noise, that's my son. So we're doing this with him. He's also explaining to you how to install a Facebook pixel. Hmm. Oh, this is taking longer than I thought. So there's no recent activity. If you've already installed your Facebook pixel, you will see curves and waves showing you exactly what your recent activity, how your website, all the information that you're receiving from your pixel online. So all you're going to do now is click on the setup button, this green button right here. So let's click on that. And then you have three options of how you can install it or where you can install it. So choose how you want to install your Facebook pixel. It explains to you exactly how. So we are going to be installing the Facebook pixel ourselves. You do not need to be a coder. You do not need to learn anything about programming. So let's click on that. And this is what a Facebook pixel is. Simply a piece of code that you install onto your website. So we're going to click on this. And if you want to learn more about what a Facebook pixel is, I will be linking another video. So watch out and wait for that video. And also, if you do not know what a funnel or a landing page is, all you need to do is wait for the next video. I'll also show you exactly what a funnel is. So what I use to create all my funnels, I use ClickFunnels. It's a software. So in ClickFunnels, if you also use ClickFunnels, I want you to open your landing page in Click Classic Editor, not the edit page, just the Classic Editor. It's much easier to do it this way. So, and this method helps you to install your Facebook pixel into the exact page that you want. So if you have a sales page, you can install it on the sales page in this using this exact same method that I'm going to use. So all you have to do now is come to your settings, which is at the right hand of your ClickFunnels page, and scroll down. I want you to come to tracking codes and click on tracking codes. As you can see, I've already installed a Facebook pixel. This is where you can also install your Google Pixel. These are now my Google Pixel. You can install your Facebook and Google Pixel at the same time. All you have to do is leave a gap in between them. Don't combine them. And with your Facebook pixel, I want you to Control V or Command V instead of clicking paste with your mouse, because the ClickFunnels platform, sometimes if you do the copy paste, it may not stick to the page. So all you have to do now is save. Click save, and you are all done. Now you can be able to track everybody who comes to this page. It will the Facebook pixel will track all that information, and when you want to retarget, you can now create your Facebook retargeting campaigns using that simple method. Uh, that's it, guys. Uh, Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. On the click the little button, like button down below. It really helps our channel. So that's it. See you on Tuesday. See you on the next video. Thanks.